Don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's like two exterior walls here, right? No windows. But this is the exhaust pipe for the bathroom. And it's wild. Normally when we have rain, we don't hear it like this at all. But it is crazy because let me see if I can turn that off. There we go. The whole sky has sort of like a glow to it, and all the power is really out in the neighborhood. I don't know how well we can tell how hard the wind is blowing. It is just, I mean, the stop sign though, I guess, is going nuts over there, and it's catching the light of my emergency lights. It's like a disco, but the wind is crazy, and it's not supposed to peak until and you can kind of hear it whip past until 2 a.m. and we are hours away from that. But so far, no flooding. We have no trees near the house at all, so here's hoping. I have a feeling I may not have a stop sign by the time this is all done and over with, but trees are still standing where I know trees to be, but it is just dumping loads of water, and every once in a while we just hear loud roar of the gust swinging by.